Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Come give me a hug. Okay, I feel better. Thank you so much for coming back to my video and to my channel. In today's video, I am doing an updated makeup collection video. It's so overdue because the last time that I uploaded a video like this was so many years ago, and I just thought that it was just a good idea to show you guys what I store all my makeup in and how I organize all my makeup. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget the last one. If you do subscribe, hey, welcome to the Adriana O channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Let's get started with this video.
See you praying on it. You did. I see you ain't, that's not a problem. Mic check, 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 check. You did. Where about my check?
Okay guys, so this is the drawer where I store all my makeup. So this is from IKEA. It's called Alex. It's the Alex drawers. It has 9 sections. I was gonna get 5, but I'm like, 5 ain't enough. So I decided to get 9. I think this was beneficial anyways. But this is what it looks like. Let's go over to the top. So you guys see this on my Snapchat all the time, so that's nothing new. So over here I have all my brushes. I have my clean ones, I have my dirty ones, I have my, yeah. And then I have all of my sponges here. And then my glasses. Then I have my skincare here. I have my Origins. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I think it's okay. I have some. I also keep the very first card that I got when I reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube from my friend. Yeah, I keep that on top, and I keep more brushes here. These are my eye brushes there. So we're gonna go into the first drawer. So drawer number 1 has all of my foundations and concealers. So I have some drugstore here, and then I have more drugstore, then I have my high-end here, then I have some setting powders in the back that's hiding that I don't really use very often. I have all my concealers here. As you can see, I love LA Girl Pro Concealer. Then I have some more concealers in there. So in the second drawer, I have all of my powders, more so highlighters than actual setting powders. All of my MAC highlighters are here. I have some drugstore here, drugstore, ColourPop, high-end, Sephora. I have Wet n Wild here. I have Becca and Fenty. I have more products at the back, but I don't really use them, so that's why they're at the back. Okay. I also forgot to mention, I do live in Canada, so I got these containers here. I got all these containers from HomeSense. So if you're looking to get little containers for your drawers to organize them, I highly recommend you trying Winners, Marshalls, and HomeSense, preferably HomeSense. And now in this drawer, I have my face powders here. My face setting powders. I have some eye stuff in here. This section is eyes and this one's fake. But these are my single eyeshadows here. These are MAC. This one, I don't know. This one's Annabelle. I have ColourPop here. I love ColourPop eyeshadows. They're very pigmented. I also have some gel liners here from ColourPop. I have a blush there. I have my liquid liners and my pencil liners. I also have this liquid eyeshadow from Huda in here. Then over here, I have my loose glitters and my loose pigments. Some are from MAC, Sephora, Wet n Wild. Okay. And then I have my mascaras in here, and also I'll have my NYX brow gel. in here as well. This is the only brow gel that I have, and it's from NYX. And in this drawer, I have all my liquid lipsticks. I own 1,000,001 liquid lipsticks from ColourPop. Then in here, I have more liquid lipstick. These are from Anastasia. I don't know why this is here. This is actually a lip gloss. Then I have some Wet n Wild in here. Then I have Color Drain. And then I also have Kylie Cosmetics in the back. And over here I have more. This is Milani. And then I have Huda here. Then I have a whole bunch of Maybelline liquid lipsticks in here as well. Then I have MAC liquid lipsticks. Here I have Bite Beauty. I have NYX liquid lipsticks. I have, this is Lime Crime. More NYX. I own a lot. Okay, so done with the liquid lipsticks. Now we're in lip glosses. So this is where I keep all of my lip glosses. This is where it belongs. So I own a lot of Gerard Cosmetic lip glosses. And I also have in here NYX, and I have Wet n Wild in here, and I have MAC lip glosses hiding in the back. Here I have my lipsticks, my MAC lipsticks here, and I have some Maybelline right there, and then I have all of my lip liners here. I have a mixture of Kylie, MAC, and NYX hiding in there somewhere, and I think this is NARS as well. And then here I have some lippy sticks from ColourPop that I don't really reach for, so that's why they're hiding in the back. Now in this drawer, it's very empty because I have to add more lipsticks in here. So these are just a mixture of high-end and regular drugstore lipsticks in there. And then in this drawer, I have all of my palettes. I have quite a bit of palettes in here. I'm not gonna go through all of them because I feel like this video would be long and boring if I did that. But I have a lot of Morphe palettes that's hiding in the back here. I use Morphe a lot. I have MAC palettes here. I have quite a bit. There's a lot hiding in there. And in this drawer, in the 8th drawer, this is the last drawer, I have my makeup wipes in here. I use them for taking off my makeup, and it's also if I'm going to the gym, I like to have these to wipe my face after I finish my workout. Then I have my setting sprays in here, my luster drops, and my illuminizing drops, and some body oil in here, some setting sprays in here. I also have my lashes, my lash glue, primers that I don't use, I don't ever use. I have eye primers in here that I don't use because I love using dry concealers. So yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. So that's what I have in my IKEA drawers. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, Adriana O for Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to follow me on my Snapchat, AdrianaOscar95. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.